The
Yeah,
first
of
time you want to
course.
tell a story after so long, you decided to tell a story of a woman. Thank you.
This is the best story.
I'm different, but no less.
I believe the women are much more stronger than men. The
Of
moment
course.
Shahrukh saw the trailer, he said, "अभी आज जाती मैं गौरी को और बच्चों को दिखाता हूँ कितनी अच्छी फिल्म है."
How lovely. How
मिस्टर
lovely.
बच्चन ने पहले ट्वीट किया,
Yes.
इंस्टाग्राम पे डाला, फिर बाद में देखा.
क्या बात है?
It's unbelievable ना.
So मेरे माइंड में आता था कि you know what if I just get to share the screen space with him one day because you know it's like I'll be known like हाँ अनुपम खेर के साथ आई है. मैं डिनर पे सबको बोलती थी हमारा खेरदान है, you know जैसे खानदान होता है मतलब खेरदान.
Just
I
a
never
movie.
expected Mr. Robert De Niro to come on the screening. I could not control. I started crying. I said, "Look, अब पिक्चर का क्या होगा वो तो होगा ही, पर मुझे आप लोगों ने मेरा इनाम दे दिया."
बिल्कुल.
Lieutenant colonels, brigadiers, they all came and said, I cried.
I love that song where she asks God.
हाँ.
Hey hello मैं कौन हूँ गा के नहीं सुना.
गा के मत सुना. Hey hello मैं कौन हूँ तुझे है सब पता.
But how are you?
ए दोस्त तू अपनी भी तो कुछ सुना.
अपनी भी तो सुन.
हाँ.
Was it easy for you to tell your parents that I want to be an actor?
Not really. They said that it's good to have a passion, but you have to be practical.
मैं ऐसे कैमरा लेके जा रहा था, जब मैं इनके चेहरे पे रुका, I had a feeling that
This is an interview where I don't have any notes. मैं कुछ prep करके नहीं आई हूँ because I feel that I have questions the minute I watch the trailer. The trailer of Tanvi the Great dropped a few days ago, but the film has been making a buzz for the last couple of weeks actually. New York, for example, when they showed the film, I'm so jealous. I'm so jealous that an audience has already watched it before your friends in
Yeah.
India. And Mr. Kher, of course, is one of my favorite actors. If you know this, if you've seen our interviews earlier at Radio Nasha, you would know that we have an extreme love for each other.
absolutely.
And
I
that, of
totally
course.
endorse that.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
And that,
You're very good. You're
Thank
very
you.
good. Yeah.
Thank you
have
so
so much.
much.
And you're always, whenever I met you, you're always so pleasant, even though you're tired, etc. Whatever. I'm sure you're tired, but you come across always, and you show. I like people who show their happiness.
yes.
Some people say अंदर महसूस कर रहा हूँ, यहाँ नहीं आ रहा है.
हाँ नहीं नहीं कोई फायदा नहीं
हाँ,
है ये रेडियो वालों की
It's
बात
like
है
acting. यहाँ तो आ रही है, यहाँ नहीं आ रही है.
हाँ ऐसे सर हम तो एक्टर नहीं है
हाँ.
but all of this love transfers to you Shubhangi
Yes.
and you're in such a lovely place because honestly it's a privilege to be where you are. Mr. Kher, Anupam Kher is one of our finest actors. Like if you ask me who my favorite actors are from the Hindi film industry, it will be Mr. Kher.
Yeah.
And after 23 years, he decides to make a film. And you are the lead of this film. So let's start with that. Shubhangi, aka Tanvi.
Yes.
How great are you feeling to be a part of this?
Extremely, sir, just now also asked me again of first, सब कुछ एक साथ हो रहा है आपकी लाइफ में, and I said हाँ सर, इतने सालों से जो मैंने सिर्फ सोचा था, सपने देखती थी, डेली अकेले में करती आती थी, ये सब सिर्फ मेरे ऐसे सामने खाली ऐसे imagination में setup होता था. I'm just doing that today. It's sort of like a deja vu just translated into reality now.
How amazing. And you always want to be an actor?
I have always wanted to.
How did he know this? मुझे ये बताओ, ये कैसे हुआ?
स्टूडेंट है, क्लास में पढ़ती थी.
So I think जो भी actor prepare जाता है
आप
सबको.
फिल्म में काम करना चाहेंगे, मैं आपके लिए बना दूंगा.
So, that's so
But
amazing.
the casting of her was very, very. So the idea, people keep asking why wait for 23 years? Because I'm not a director. I love doing acting. I run an acting school. I write books. I run my foundation. Do charity work through that foundation. So direction will come only if I want to say something.
Yes.
If something touches me. So I've been always looking for something which makes people believe in goodness.
Yeah.
Which make people believe that we live in a place which has possibility of happiness and no subject. And it was not also feel good film.
Yeah.
Yeah, बोलते हैं feel good film. Till 4 years back, my niece, my bhanji, my sister's daughter, whose name is Tanvi.
Yeah.
Was in a wedding, family wedding, my brother's sister's wedding, and everybody was dancing, enjoying everything. And Tanvi was standing away and looking at the mountains. And I went up to her and I said, Tanvi, what are you looking at? She said, I'm looking at my world. मैं तो दंग रह गया उस स्टेटमेंट को सुन के. हाँ, बिकॉज वो एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाती थी क्या उसका वर्ल्ड है. तो दैट सेट मी आउट इनटू एन इमेजिनेशन एंड दैट देन वी वर्कड फॉर अ ईयर ऑन द स्क्रिप्ट. I wanted to come up with a script where people will come out and say and cry because their belief in goodness gets restored.
Beautiful,
हम
beautiful.
हम ऐसी दुनिया में रहते हैं जहाँ पर हमारा गुडनेस से विश्वास ही हट गया है. इनफैक्ट वी आर मेड टू फील दैट वी आर लिविंग इन अ डेंजरस प्लेस.
बिल्कुल.
है ना कि कुछ भी कर सकता है क्योंकि कोई भी न्यूज़ उठा लो आप, पेपर उठा लो आप, अपना सोशल मीडिया चले जाओ, बुरी चीज़ें लिखी होती हैं. एंड तन्वी gave me this idea, and then also Tanvi sings very well. So the film is musical.
Yes,
It's music by
yes,
M.M.
yes.
Kiravani, Kausar Munir. And after working for 1 year, and then we recorded the songs first.
Yeah.
Then we went on to the shoot.
Yeah.
And I also instructed all the crew members, which were 240 in numbers. I said, all of us for the next 60 years will practice goodness. And actually they did that.
That's so amazing.
I said, how can we make a film about an autistic girl who only knows the world of goodness because her heart is like that?
बिल्कुल.
And it happened. जहाँ तक शुभांगी को ढूंढने की बात है, I wanted the girl from my school. I said, I can't run an acting school जहाँ पर मैं बाहर जाके ढूंढ रहा हूँ किसी को.
बिल्कुल.
So I do a main class which is called the master class, in which I let go the students back into their life. So
Yeah.
if they are 15, then they go to 10. If they are 25, they go to 20, 25, 50, etc. till they reach their mother's womb. And then I tell them to, what the expression that you will have in your mother's womb, I want to see that on your face with your eyes shut. So मैं ऐसे कैमरा लेके जा रहा था, जब मैं इनके चेहरे पे रुका, I had a feeling that I've never seen something so not happening and yet happening on a face.
Beautiful.
So I told my CEO, I said, I think I found my Tanvi. He said, तो कुछ भी नहीं कर रही है. तो मैंने कहा वो हम करवा लेंगे. And then we did not tell her for 6 months, and we kept making her do auditions, a similar kind of auditions, and she kept sending them within 2 hours, 1 hour, sometime half an hour. And then after 6 months, we told her that you are cast as Tanvi.
My God, how amazing.
So filmy. So it's just like, wow.
It's just too filmy, guys, just like the name of the show. No, but it's amazing. See, because I think we're living in very interesting times. Ek to, there is the whole question of nepotism, right? And I saw this film as a shining flag against that, you know, saying that this is what we are here to do. Are we here to do something? What can we do? We can give new faces, new actors a chance who genuinely want to be actors.
Absolutely.
So that's number one. The number two is I feel everything adds to it. You know, I would not say Sitare Zameen Par that came recently. Oh, ab wo aa gaya. Comparison nahi hai. But the way I look at it is we are making space for each other. ताकि लोग जाकर ऐसे stories देखना शुरू करें. I think it's the opposite. It's a very good time that people are receptive to these stories. Of all the stories you could have told in 23 years, it's this story of people who are differently abled.
Yeah.
Where did that come from for you?
With all my love for Amir and the kind of buzz he has created, that still is I'm saying it because I want to sort of say that that film is based on a Spanish film.
Yeah.
So it's a ready-made plot. But this is it has no reference point. And I am saying it because, first of all, I'm proud of the fact. Not that people who make remakes don't. That is
No, but
perfectly
this
all right.
is something to be proud
In fact,
of.
Amir has done a great service to us also in a different manner. But everything that we have done, whether it's music, that's why the music sounds so different.
Yes.
Because M.M. Kiravani sir is like a magician, and Kausar Munir has come up with. She had to write the lyrics from an autistic point of view. So that's why the songs are ek, do, ek, or left, right.
Yeah.
And unbelievable work she has done.
But I love that song where she asks God,
Ah,
how are you?
yes.
Yeah.
I
the bhajan
thought
song.
that was the most beautiful
It's my
expression.
it's her
It's
favorite
my
song.
most favorite
Really?
song.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
the
that's
bhajan
amazing.
song.
That's amazing.
Hey, hello.
Yes.
Hey, hello,
गा के
मैं
मत
कौन हूँ? गा के नहीं सुना.
गा के मत सुनाना. Hey, hello, मैं कौन हूँ तुझे ऐसा पता.
But how are you?
ए दोस्त तू अपनी भी तो कुछ सुना.
अपनी भी तो सुन.
हाँ.
I thought that was so beautiful.
Yeah.
That was so beautiful. No,
So that's why I say that director puts a film together, but he can't do without a team of writers. DOP, that Kiko Nakahara, Japanese lady, has done. She was so. I wanted a Japanese. I wanted actually I wanted a Japanese lady to be the director because I wanted a silence on the set. Nobody was allowed to shout on the set.
Yeah.
हमारे यहाँ कोई नहीं चिल्लाता था, कोई नहीं कहता sound, shut up, quiet, action. मैं action बड़ा हल्के से बोलता था. अपना रोहित चतुर्वेदी, the one who's designed the clothes.
Yeah. He's so
Urvi,
Yeah.
who's done the art direction. मतलब even her makeup lady, Shipra, they were all tender, beautiful, and their life changed for the rest of their lives.
Yeah.
Let me just
Yeah,
tell you.
because they worked on this film.
They worked on this film. It changed me. It changed her, I think. And even Baman, Jackie, Arvind Swamy, Pallavi Joshi.
I always told them that I feel like a cub surrounded by lions.
Yeah.
The way they shielded, they protected, they guided, everything. It was like a school in itself.
100%.
And they were all gurus and also friends, family, everything. I think I experienced everything in this one film.
And we did it's a film from India for the world.
Yeah.
I always say, because autism, courage. It's not actually a film about autism. It's a film about never giving up.
Yes. Yes.
That's why people relate. So when we did the show at Cannes and then London and then New York and
yeah.
then in Austin and I realized, why are people crying in the end? It's not a sad story. In fact, she's very naughty in the film. She's naughty. She's
I can see.
yeah. And they cry because they find goodness.
True.
And
Yeah.
their belief gets, as I said earlier, restored. कल और परसों हमने आर्मी वालों के लिए किया. इंडिया में फर्स्ट स्क्रीनिंग हमने एनडीए के लिए की. When they at the end of the film, when the Mr. अपना जो चीफ थे वहाँ के उनके एडमिरल वो स्टेज पर आए, he said you are allowed to do what you feel. Otherwise they're a discipline. They clapped like till infinity.
Beautiful.
And I could not control. I started crying. I said, look, अब पिक्चर का क्या होगा वो तो होगा ही, पर मुझे आप लोगों ने मेरा इनाम दे दिया.
बिल्कुल.
Lieutenant colonels, brigadiers, they all came and said, I cried. Because that's the last thing they feel.
Ever want to do, yeah.
And then this Major General's wife, lady, came and she said, look, I've been married to my husband for the last 33 years. Sometimes I've always wanted that I could see a tear in his eye or something, that he moves or something like that. But he being an army officer, today, he is subak ke ro rahe the.
क्या बात.
So I think that itself, it is touching people's heart, that because it's made with so much of heart.
Yes. And this idea of an autistic girl wanting to join the forces, ये पूरी की पूरी जो कहानी है, ये भी काल्पनिक ही है.
काल्पनिक है, बट मेरे दो सब्जेक्ट जैसा कि मैंने बताया, एक तो डिफरेंटली एबल्ड बच्चे, एंड आर्मी का मैं बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ, बिकॉज आई ग्रू अप in Western Command in Shimla. That was the headquarters. And I wanted to set up a task for Tanvi, which is impossible even if she achieves the physical strength, because in Indian Army, autistic people are not taken. So then what happens is the story.
Which is what I'm very curious to know, because does she get a chance to actually go to the army?
For that, please
18
watch the film.
July.
अरे यार, यही तो सवाल था मेरा. You know, I have to ask you, Shubhangi, it's a different thing to be able to work alongside actors like Mr. Kher. या तुम सीखने जा रहे हो, they are nice to you because तुम बच्चे हो, तुम student हो. But when you are his lead actor, you are a professional.
Yeah.
And he's also professional. Did anything change when you went from classroom to on camera?
I think just more knowledge. Like the way I learned so much about, I think not just acting, but also about life. Because he shares so much of wisdom every time, every opportunity he gets, and he teaches so much. Everything, sometimes even the way I, like, you know, when I'm meeting people, when I'm shooting, be it in front of camera, in front of people, he will tell me, he will guide me about everything and on everything. And I think that's very important. So that's why I keep telling him, sir, that I thank my stars that I found a mentor like you, because I don't know how else would I have found my way into the industry. Because a lot of times, I'm not sure, but maybe when you do your first movie, then you just move on to your next project and then it's done. But sir, he creates family with every project he does.
So true.
And now the entire Tanvi the Great family.
She's part of my family.
Yes, I really am. I mean, हम Singapore में एक बार मिले थे, and I mean, of course, we had met in India. But I remember when we had met in Singapore, it was such a family. Like, we all sat around, we all spent an entire evening, and since then, of course, we've been, you know, हम जुड़े हैं. तो
मैं डिनर पे सबको बोलती थी हमारा खेरदान है, जैसे खानदान होता है, उन्होंने बोला
Khairdan,
खेरदान.
kya- But tell us about you.
Yeah.
What are you outside of this actor? Where did you come from? And what do your folks do? I want to get to know you, Shubhangi.
So I'm born and brought up in Mumbai.
Okay.
I've done my schooling here. I've done everything here.
Mhm.
Before, in fact, I've never really traveled outside of Mumbai or India before Tanvi
Okay.
the Great.
Okay.
So my US, my London, everything was my first
That's how
because of this project. So thank you for that as well, sir.
You
Um,
need to do that. You need to say thank you to me all your life.
Yes, that's a given.
Yes,
Everything, yeah. Whenever thank you का शब्द आता है, मुझे अनुपम sir.
Was it easy for you to tell your parents that I want to be an actor?
Not really. They said that it's good to have a passion, but you have to be practical. Because where I come from, it's like for me, I had responsibilities from a very early age. So my mom, my masi, my uncle, they kept telling me that you should try. Don't give up on your dreams, but don't spend all your life just trying to go after your dreams. Because it's not because it's you don't have it in you, but it's because that you have to also be practical and think of your family, and you have to you will be the head, because in my family it's me, my mother and my brother.
Okay.
So I also didn't want all the responsibility just on my mom, and my brother is just 16.
Sure.
So I had to also help my mom, and I had to also sort of be the breadwinner. And sometimes when you want to become an actor, you have to let go of a lot of things and just sort of focus on that. And
Yeah.
people spend years and years,
Yeah.
So I was trying since I was 13, 14. But I knew that I will give it my all when I have to, when I'm giving the opportunity, but maybe not my entire life, because again, that thing that no, you have to also be responsible. You have just so many things just kept lingering on my mind. But God was kind, because I always had this voice. I tried, I did marketing. Before this, I was with another agency before getting into this. Not that I did a lot of work, but I did try to dive into a lot of things, thinking that something works out and something, I just want to be independent. I just want to do so much at an early age. So I just had that hunger and drive that kab hoga, kab hoga. It took long, but it happened.
Then I think going to an actor prepares was the best
It helped,
decision.
yeah. And strangely, I told sir also that बहुत साल पहले मैंने 1 महीने का कोर्स भी किया था. And then I was like, and then I started auditioning again, and I was like, I think I need to just brush up my skills a little bit more. And then I decided to do the diploma course. And जब sir अपने हर एक सेशन में एक मास्टर क्लास करते हैं, and because every time I used to also see sir in the corridors, and I'm very delusional. So मेरे माइंड में आता था कि what if I just get to share the screen space with him one day, because it's like I'll be known like हाँ अनुपम खेर के साथ आई है, and what if he just directs? I knew he's not a director. Like I saw Om Jai Jagdish when I was very young, very and I don't remember it fully, but I know I remember that he's directing, and I was like, I wish he starts directing again. And
Wow.
then it's
She's
like
manifested
manifested.
it. Well, you got
So-
a couple of things right. I feel like it's not just the acting. You have to act like people who are not like you.
Yeah.
जब आप अपने तरीके किसी लोगों की एक्टिंग करते हैं, तो ये लड़की गुस्सा कैसे होगी?
Yeah.
तो आप एक लड़की को गुस्सा होते हुए महसूस कर सकते हो कि आप वो हो.
Yeah.
But when you have to be outside of you and you have to bring an other in,
Yeah.
I think it's completely different. Because आपको ये सोचना है कि वो कैसे गुस्सा होते हैं. Like what you got really right is not making eye contact.
Yeah.
And I can see that even in the trailer, because जिन बच्चों के साथ शायद मैंने वक्त बिताया है, सबसे पहले मुझे वो समझ में आया कि वो आपको देखेंगे नहीं.
Yeah.
और उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो आपसे बात नहीं करना चाहते. They don't feel safe yet. So that's a long time, and that's a practiced habit. It stays, So I think those small nuances.
She also spent 15 days with actual Tanvi. She went to Tejpur, Assam, and spent time with her.
So because sir used to send me a lot of interview, Herman sir का message आता था that Shubhangi, this is the brief for today. You have to make this video and send it to me because Anupam sir has asked ये ऐसे भेजना है. So I used to send, because मुझे ये भी बोला गया था there are 2-3 more girls, and I was so curious, and they are like किसी को कुछ नहीं बताया कि कौन है, and you're not even supposed to ask. तो मैं ऐसे क्लास में बताती थी कौन है, एंड मेरे फिर दिमाग में आता मुझे जल्दी भेजना है, मुझे बेस्ट करके भेजना है. सो इसलिए सर बोलते हैं ना कि ये वीडियो बना रही है, ये इसका रूम इतना अनटाइडी क्यों है, पीछे ये लटका, बिकॉज मैं जल्दी में आई वाज लाइक मैं वो हटाऊंगी, ये क्लीन करूंगी. आई जस्ट हैव टू गेट माई एक्ट राइट. Because I think they just kept grooming, they just kept brushing, they just kept giving interpretations while I think simultaneously working on other things.
And how was it with Tanvi? What did you learn from her?
I think so, yeah. So coming to that, so then when I asked sir that, sir, everybody is different, because from my research, when I'm studying, when I'm watching, because everybody, even on the spectrum, they're different.
Yeah.
you know, everything, it varies from person to
Yes.
person. So I was like, sir, I'm getting confused. Like, what am I supposed to? He's like, when you meet Tanvi, you'll realize. So when I went to meet Tanvi, I said, sir, now what do मैं pen, paper सब record करने के लिए camera, photos सब की क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. He's like, you don't have to get technical or mechanical, not at all. You just have to observe her soul, just purity, just being herself, just having a good.
वो तुम्हारी
time.
तरह है फिल्म में,
हाँ.
वो बेबाक लड़की है.
Yeah.
I love that because that
Yes.
girl is, as I said, it doesn't matter whether or not she is on the spectrum or not. I just
Yeah.
feel like her courage needs to be saluted
Yeah.
because she has the most important question, and I think for women it's very important to ask why.
Yeah.
And I think that वो औरतों के लिए बहुत important है. And I
Yeah.
think Mr. Feminist, you're doing a good job representing the women. The
Yeah,
first
of
time you want to
course.
tell a story after so long, you decided to tell a story of a woman. Thank you.
This is the best story, I think. I always say that. I'm not saying it because I'm surrounded by
Pretty.
women, pretty women. I believe the women are much more stronger than men. Anybody who has the capability of giving birth to another human, they have to be superior.
Yeah. Yeah.
But Tanvi and we have portrayed Tanvi as a superhero.
Yes. Yes.
She's not बेचारी.
Yeah.
शी इज अ सुपर हीरो.
Yeah.
वो चारों को जो हमारे चारों कैरेक्टर उनके आसपास है उनकी लाइफ चेंज कर देती है जस्ट बाय बीइंग हरसेल्फ.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whether it's me, whether it's Baman Irani, or whether it is Arvind Swamy, or whether Jackie Shroff, we are all four people who are brooding, who are somewhere deep down unhappy. Things have not worked. So and so son is not working. I have lost my wife, lost my son. Baman Irani is alone. Mr. Arvind Swamy has a guilt about something, and she comes. And just by being herself, she changes our perspective of life. And Tanvi is a singer, and she doesn't have filter. Now, so while Mr. Baman Irani, who is supposed to be the music teacher, is teaching her, she just in between starts singing
Yeah.
and completes the whole singing, and he has to keep quiet
Yeah.
because she is actually singing. She
Beautiful.
makes her words.
हाँ,
and-
जब वो बोलते हैं हाँ आर्टिस्टिक है तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है.
Ah.
It's so funny, these points, and that's why I'm dying to
Yeah.
watch the film. You are also acting. But I'll tell you something. You have so much goodwill that people are happy to work with you. People will come, they'll walk the extra mile for you because you earned it over years. I also know that there was a point in this film that you were making the film and it almost couldn't get made. And at that time, your actors, and these are not, hi, we're talking about Jackie Shroff, we're talking about Baman Irani, we're talking about the best in the business, Arvind Swamy. So you have to tell me two
Pallavi.
things. Pallavi ji, you have to tell me two things. One is, how did you vision this ensemble to come together? Was it just a phone call? What was it like? And secondly, when things were not going okay, they literally told you something amazing. And they made you say that, don't worry, this film will get over. Talk to us about this goodwill that is there.
So I wanted to first make the music and simultaneously work on the script. I had an idea what I wanted. It was a one-line idea. But then I took Ankur, who was Satish Kaushik's writer of
Yes.
Kagas 2. I had worked with him. Both of them are very, very high position holders in advertising business. Abhishek, who had written Unchai.
Yes.
So we went to, and I did not want to go and sit in a place in Mumbai. So we went first to Goa, then we went to Delhi, then we used to travel, etc. And we used to do fun things, because only with fun things work out.
So true.
So this whole experience has been so amazing, so enriching. And then once whole thing was done, and she was in my mind locked, Jackie को मैंने गाने सुनाए. वो घर आया था. वो सुन के he started crying, I started crying. He said, इतने प्योर गाने हैं, इतना मतलब मजा आ रहा है कि इतना मैं इसका पिक्चर मुझे लेना ही लेना है तुझे. At that time, that role had not developed so much. But when Jackie said that he's doing it, along two writers, I said, we have to make this role very important.
Yes.
And it became it. In fact, it's very important. Arvind Swamy, I always knew that, and Baman Irani, I always knew. For mother's role, I had to go to few people. Pallavi का मुझे बाद में ध्यान आया. It's my mistake. Because Pallavi does a lot of work with Vivek,
Yes.
is her husband, and also she's the producer, etc. And when I had some little, not tough time, but the girls that I went to meet, they had their own point of views, which I respect. Then one day I thought, यार ये picture में काम अच्छा होना चाहिए. काम अच्छा होगा तो, and जब मैं स्टोरी सुना रहा था पल्लवी को, शी गॉट सो मूव्ड, शी सेड अनुपम जी पूरी मत सुनाइए, मैं ये पिक्चर करना चाह रही। फिर जब मेरा वो फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम हुआ तो मैंने चारों को कहा यार अब क्या करें, तो उन्होंने कहा हमने तेरे से पैसे मांगे क्या? Which was so amazing, which was so touching. And I will pay them 100%. I will, because they have been so wonderful. But did not become payment did not become the important issue at all.
At all, yeah.
At all. And even the only person that I played over there was Ian Glenn, who is in Game of Thrones actor.
Yes.
Because I wanted, so Pallavi goes abroad and she works with somebody. So I needed somebody who had a lot of towering persona.
Yes. And he does.
And he does. He does. And he was so good. So बाकी चीज़ें तो अपने आप हो गई. हमारी खुद की टीम बड़ी अच्छी थी. मैंने हाईली प्रोफेशनल लोगों को लिया था. बट गुडविल, और किसी को नहीं पता था व्हाट वी आर गोइंग थ्रू. पूरी कास्ट में से किसी को नहीं पता था. इनको तो अब पता लगा जब पब्लिसिटी करने लगे.
बिल्कुल.
But I wrote a book which will be published in next week on how this film did not almost get made.
Almost got made. Yeah,
and it's a motivational book. It's called Different But No Less, which is the tagline of the film.
Oh wow. So much. This movie means so much.
It has created
It's not just a movie.
I never expected Mr. Robert De Niro to come on the screening. Can you imagine? I never expected. 2 hours before the screening was to happen, I had approached his wife, Tiffany. She said, Bob is coming. And then he said that we will come for about 15-20 minutes. He sat till interval.
क्या बात है?
And then he said, can you send me the rest of the film? They're supposed to have watched it yesterday. That happened. फिर मैंने कहा इसको पिक्चर को बड़ा करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. भारत में और हिंदुस्तान में तभी होता है चीज़ें बड़ी, या तो आपका कोई बहुत बड़ा स्टार हो फिल्म में तो आपको परेशानी नहीं होता फाइनेंस मिलने में. काफ़ी लोगों ने, मैं मांगने गया था फिल्म फाइनेंस, उन्होंने कहा यार लड़की नहीं मत लो, हम कर देंगे कुछ. बट मेरे को तो बिल्कुल नई लड़की चाहिए थी. आई डिड नॉट वांट देम टू से सो एंड सो एक्ट्रेस डिड द रोल ऑफ ऑटिस्टिक गर्ल वेरी वेल. अदरवाइज देयर वाज नो इन्वॉल्वमेंट. बाकी सारे लोगों ने 400 300 फिल्में की हुई हैं जो उनके आसपास हैं. एंड सो आई सेड लेट मी टेक इट out, and also it will give me confidence, and I'll see whether the audience react to it, how do they react to it. But their response was phenomenal. The trailer has got so much love.
Yes.
And trailer को जो फिर बाकी शाहरुख ने, मिस्टर बच्चन ने, आलिया ने, या इन सब लोगों ने जो प्यार दिया है वो वैसे भी दे देते अगर बुरा भी होता. They did it because I love them and for that, but they liked it also so much.
Of course.
The moment Shahrukh saw the trailer, he said, "अभी आज जाती मैं गौरी को और बच्चों को दिखाता हूँ कितनी अच्छी फिल्म है."
How lovely.
मिस्टर बच्चन ने पहले ट्वीट किया, इंस्टाग्राम पे डाला, फिर बाद में देखा.
क्या बात है?
अनबिलीवेबल ना. उसके बाद उन्होंने देखा था, इट्स अ वेरी गुड ट्रेलर अनुपम. इट्स सो मूविंग. आलिया वाज शूटिंग इन लंदन on her own one day. मैं उसको बोलने गया था, I wanted her to first Shahrukh to come on the trailer launch. Kajol came on the to launch her.
Yes.
So you talked about goodwill, na? Yeah. I think we come from time where goodwill was more important than anything else.
Absolutely.
We have made relationships for the rest of our lives.
Absolutely.
You know, Prabhas, one worked with him only for 7 days so far.
बिल्कुल.
He on his own said, I have seen the trailer and I want to write about it.
Oh, wow.
Varun Dhawan, other people, so many. So that made the whole thing, and then it went into a certain million. I hope that it translates into audience going into the theatre.
I do hope so, because we're living in some really weird times when it comes to, audiences trying to figure what they want to watch, what they don't. But the truth is the audiences will always know.
They will come. I think
they will always know.
I have not yet sold the rights for OTT. So I think they believe in goodness, they will come.
Yes.
If they believe in happiness, they will come.
Yeah.
If they will believe in heart, they will come.
They will come.
If they have a heart, they will come.
Yeah. And they will come for you, Mr. Kher, more than anything else. I think that's what it is, right? For me, you have been part of my favorite shows. Like, you taught me to laugh. Right? And I think that's no small deal. Like, मैं पहली बार हंसी थी इनके किसी जोक पर, and I'll never forget that. And that means so much to me. So
thank you. You're very kind and generous.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for coming on my channel. We just launched it, so it means a lot that this one, Just to Film Me. Please give it all of your love and blessings.
Just
too
to film.
Filmy, yes.
And you are not so filmy at all. You're beautiful and you're generous and you're very kind. And those are the important qualities. And I wish your channel and your show greatest success.
Thank you.
Greatest success.
Thank you so much.
God
I
bless
wish Tanvi the Great a lot of success.
Thank
and I
you.
hope a lot of people will be watching this interview and then, of course, watching it in the theatres. Thank you so much for coming to my show and giving me your
Thank you
time.
so much.